Welcome, Intro to Law students, to week 2 of North Shore Learns version 2.0. This is for the week of April 13th through the 19th, 2020. Materials needed for the week will be computer and internet. Again, if anybody needs help with a laptop or a hotspot, we as a school do have access to those. So please reach out to me if there's any way I can help you out at ckellogg@nsd.org. Or reach out to a friend to get a hold of me, and we'll make sure we get you guys the materials needed. There are 3 action items for the week. The first one is to read the criminal law student packet, which is linked up on the homepage of our website. The second is the week 2 attendance, and the third one is to possibly reach out to some peers to work on the project with. For you, the week 2 attendance is going to be due 9 p.m. on Sunday, April 19th. These are not hard dates. These are just my best, kind of set time for me with my family to be able to sit down and actually get you the credit you deserve for attending the class. But again, I will check these again at a later time period, but you must do these attendance sheets to receive credit for the class. Our next project due date is May 21st, 2020, and that will be for your criminal law unit. For the 3 action items, again, the first one will be to read over the student packet, and please do this first. Reason being, there's a question on your week 2 attendance about the unit student packet, so that way you'll be kind of better prepared to be able to answer that question there. From there, all answers that I receive about the unit packet will be put into our FAQs section within the website, and that's hopefully going to be a nice common place for you to be able to access answers or help when it comes to the current project. Our week 2 attendance has 3 questions total. None of them are meant to be difficult. They're just simply meant to, again, keep you engaged, and then from there, get you credit for the class. Last but not least, for the project, can you work individually? You may. My recommendation, though, is to work with at least one other peer. Why? A, you'll have the unique experience to be able to work with anybody in 4th or 5th period, which might change things up, which would be kind of fun. And then 2, it always is helpful to get some help on the project to help share the load. Otherwise, you will be doing more if you choose to do it individually. As we move back out from our Google slide and the agenda, here again is the link where you'll access the student packet. And if I click on that, just show you what that looked like. And that's what you have here. Just remember, all grades are pass-fail. Again, the attendance, if it is done, you're good. If you don't, not so much. For your summative assignment, again, all the individual specifics that lay out the project will coincide in the pages to follow. If it's done, you'll be good. If it is not, then you will not be. So just again, keep in mind that. Okay, coming back to our webpage here. Let's go over next. Here is our calendar kind of going forward for the rest of the year. You see we were coming back after spring break. Hope you had a good last week. Our week 2 attendance was posted last evening. It will be due again at 9 p.m. on Sunday. Again, if you can do your best to get it done by 9 p.m. Sunday, much easier for me to be able to get you the credit you deserve. As we move forward through April and then into May, again, you can see the weekly posting of attendance there on Wednesday and due on Sunday. Your criminal law project will be due on the 21st. That's a Thursday of May. And then as we move towards the end of the school year, we're probably looking at our last unit project coming in here, roughly about the 18th year of June. Okay. Last but not least, I'll come up here to the attendance. Again, the attendance is linked here. And if I click on that, it'll take you to a Google form. And you can see here is where you'll be answering your 3 questions to get credit for the week. Last week we had probably about 2/3 people take attendance. Again, this is a pass-fail. This is your only way to get credit for the attending the class. So if you do not do the weekly attendance sheets, there's no way for me to be able to actually give you credit for how that is working forward. I know we are still waiting to hear more guidance on grading from the state as well as the district. But again, this attendance piece will be a huge component of that. So please, please, please reach out to your friends, for anybody who does not know about this website, and see if you can't give them kind of a kickstart or a link to help them get credit for the class. And there we are. That is our week for the 13th to the 19th. Look forward to be able to help you via the internet, and also that will let you know I also am available to help you when it comes to phone as well. If you would like to set up a phone chat, be more than happy to. Again, talking to a screen is not my preferred means of communication, so if I can help walk somebody through the project, talk you through it, man, I'd be more than happy to help you in any way, shape, or form. This is a pretty cool project when it all comes together at the end, and I look forward to seeing what creativity you guys have as this gets started. Thank you guys so much. Take care, and we'll talk soon.